Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to make an Italian sausage. It's a pork based sausage, and in this recipe I use 250 gram of pork belly and 250 gram of pork shoulder. Then I mince all the meat by just using a knife, but if you have one of this machine, it would be a lot easier for you to make the sausage. These are the seasoning that I use for this recipe: 1 clove of garlic, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of paprika powder, 7 gram of salt, and half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Then I crush the fennel seeds, but you can absolutely skip this process. I did this because I don't really like when I bite into the whole fennel seeds, and also I believe it will help to distribute the spices more evenly into the sausage. Once it's done, I put all of the seasoning to the minced pork and mix it well until everything are well combined. Once everything are well combined, I cover the mixture and let it marinate inside a fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Once it's done resting, I take it out from the fridge and it's time to make the sausage. And this is my manual sausage filler, but if you can get your hand on this, I believe you can do it by using this. And for the casing, I use a natural pork casing that I prepare myself by using pork intestine. But if you want to be practiced, I believe you can get a ready to use sausage casing from online or your local butcher shops. Don't forget to tie the end of the sausage, otherwise the meat will just go everywhere. If you see any air pockets inside the sausage, you have to poke it with a needle so that the air can go out from the sausage. Pinch and twist to make the sausage link. And again, tie the end of the sausage. You can absolutely do this by using the casing itself or by using a string, but if you decide to use a string, don't forget to remove it when cooking the sausage. Then remove any excess casing and string from the sausage. Poke the sausage with a needle to remove any excess air pockets. Well, after it's all done, the sausage is basically ready to be cooked. But for me, I like to let the sausage dry out in the fridge for overnight so that I could separate the sausage much more easily. As you can see, there is not much moisture in the sausage casing. Let's cut the sausage and remove any remaining string. And when everything is done, the sausage is basically ready to be cooked. Let's take 2 of them, and I am going to cook the sausage over a grill. Let's cut the sausage and see from the inside. Ooh, look at how juicy the sausage is. Let's give it a try. The sausage is absolutely delicious. It's so juicy and well seasoned. At first, I thought the fennel flavor will overpower the sausage, but it actually complements the fattiness of the pork meat very well. All in all, I am really happy with the result. So if you like the video, click the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, peace.